Perhaps one of the most painful documents for vendors to implement and support is the advance ship notice. Products usually go out the door packed in the same manner, but each of your trading partners has different requirements, and you likely have to give them details on what is inside every single container. Many software packages require huge investment in time to key in container serial numbers and enter item information for each of those containers. How can you support your trading partner requirements without having to hire staff just for this duty and without going out of your mind? Let's pick and pack with Visual ASN. Pick and pack is the most basic method of gathering information for an ASN. Containers are added to the system, and items are added to the containers. You'll notice that here in Visual ASN, there are no fields to key in data other than to enter quantities. Everything is available in a simple, easy-to-use graphical interface. There are three areas to the packing screen. The orders area is where original order information is displayed. The staging area is used to display the particular items that are in the process of being packed. And the packing area displays the results of the packing. Let's go through how quick and simple it is to pick and pack using Visual ASN. You'll notice that all items within an order are listed within the orders window. Items can be staged by clicking on an individual item and hitting the single arrow to move it to the staging area, or all items within an order can be staged at the same time by either clicking the double arrow or by highlighting the order number itself and clicking the single arrow to move them all to the staging area. To begin packing your order, the first thing that we'll have to do is add a container to the screen. This can be done by hitting the drop-down arrow next to New and choosing whether we want to add a carton or a pallet. Let's add a carton for now. We're going to choose a container from our list of available containers and simply hit Select. Next, we'll choose the particular item that we want to pack to our box. You'll notice that within brackets it tells us that we have 40 available to pack. We can choose to pack all 40 at one time, or we can pack a smaller quantity. To pack a smaller quantity, we simply change the value down here to a smaller quantity, for instance 20, and then hit the Pack button. If we want to make an exact copy of this container, we simply highlight the container and hit Clone. This will create as many exact copies as possible with the remaining quantity. Let's add another container to our screen, choosing the same container. This time we've got 22 of an item, but let's show how simple it is to pack all of one item into a box. I can simply highlight the item and drag and drop it right into my box, and as quickly as that, I've packed that complete item. You'll notice that on the screen we have some other very important yet simple to use features available. I can delete containers, I can empty a container so that I can repack it, and I can also move all of my containers, my cartons, up to my staging area so that I can now pack them to pallets. All I have to do is add a pallet to my screen and select one or many containers and pack them to my pallet. As quickly as that, I've gathered and provided all the information that I need to provide my ASN for my trading partner.